In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create good looking, viral, popular YouTube thumbnails, for example like MrBeast, or for example like different paid YouTube thumbnails that are available in Canva. And I will show you all of that, how to create for free in Canva without paid version. So for example, let's say we would like to create this here, this YouTube thumbnail. So what we have here, we have obviously two cars, we have MrBeast, and so let's try to recreate that. Head on to Canva, this is free version of Canva. Let's say we would like to create a design. What kind of design? YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so obviously we need now two different cars. We can use actually Canva for that and free version. On left hand side click on Magic Media and now just describe the cars. So we have old, rusty, broken down car with smashed windshield and missing parts, placed in a grassy field under cloudy sky. For styles, let's use Filmic and then generate images. By the way, you have 50 image generations free in Canva, I think monthly, something like that. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. Every Canva generation has 4 images. Let's use this one. Let's move it here and then let's create the other car. So the other car is a futuristic, highly luxurious golden sports car floating on water with hovering wheels emitting a glowing effect. Of course, you can describe it as you wish. Once again, Filmic style and generate images. Okay, this one looks pretty good. Add that to canvas. Just click. Okay, so we have now two cars. Now we need to create an image of a person, smiling person, something like MrBeast. Of course, you can create photograph of yourself and then put that in Canva, but for these purposes we will actually use AI image generator. So for example, we can use Freepik and let's describe the person. So the man in the image has a short brown hair, well-groomed beard, bright blue eyes, he has a white, you know the deal. Okay, let's say this one looks good. No, let's create a couple of more. This is also free version. Let's see which one will look the best. Okay, let's use this one. Download the image. Now we need to remove the background. Removing the background is available in Canva. You see BG Remover, but it is paid version, so you need to be pro version of the Canva. But there are many free different tools that you can use. For example, Remove.bg, PixArt, etc. Okay, here is the image. In a matter of seconds, it will remove the background as it did. Download, free version, preview. Okay, so we have that here. Let's copy that into Canva. Okay, so here is the image. So we have mostly all that we need to create similar thumbnail that MrBeast has. Let's pull this to the middle like this. Okay, now let's enlarge the person. Okay, this is now already looking very similar. What else do we have in that thumbnail? Okay, we have $, $1, $100 million. Okay, let's add text. Let's add dimension like 80, something like that. Let's move text here, copy text. Okay, so he has white text with black borders. Okay, white, let's bold that, let's add effects like this one, border black, fine. And then of course you can choose different fonts that looks similar like his. For example, let's use Leak Spartan. You can easily find on the internet which font MrBeast use. Just align this with arrows on your keyboard, for example, and there you have it. This is in a couple of minutes recreated very similar image. Of course, this person should look kind of different. I could use image generator to create additional images to have better, not better looking person, but more person looking like his with more arms or more shoulders showing. But you know, this is just for you to showcase and to see how it's easy to recreate that kind of images by using Canva free version and other free tools. So now let's recreate some other templates, some other paid. So for example, let's pick, okay, this one. This one looks pretty neat, pretty okay. So we have a person, we have, okay, text, couple of cartoon images, check mark, okay. Let's go back to Canva. Let's find different cartoon images. Okay, this one looks relatively okay. What else do we have here? Okay, the house. We can of course recreate the image of the house, but let's use elements here for the purposes of simplicity. House. This one looks relatively okay, yeah, even though it's very simple. Okay, what else do we have here? So we have different glowing and blurring effects. So let's add those. Blur, what kind of blur do we have? Blue and red. Fine, let's add this one. Okay, then we'll actually change the layer, so sending this backward. Let's have blue. Okay, this time we'll choose Pro glowing effect, blurry effect, but it doesn't matter, you'll see why. You see the watermark on Canva? Because we will change the layer of this glowing effect, this Canva watermark will not be seen. Layer, send backwards, and as you can see, watermark is hidden. Okay, let's choose the background. Let's see, this was kind of a black background, but this one looks better that it's not completely black. Okay, and then we also have a person. So let's use Magic Media once again to create a person. So what kind of a person is that? Kind of a worrying person with chin on his hands. Okay, describing this person. Of course, you can create whatever you want, but you know, just for the purposes of kind of a copying all of that, let's see. Style, filmic, generate images. Okay, let's say that this one is good. Fine. Let's add another page because we will need to remove the background without using Pro feature of Canva. Actually, what I will do, I will just take a screenshot of this person, open Paint, paste the picture. You have actually in Paint, by the way, background remover, and it is working pretty good, but it is not making background transparent but white. So what we will do here is actually save this image. Let's now remove the background. Fine, good. Download. And let's copy that image into Canva. Fine. Remove the last image, previous one. Now we have that person without background. Let's increase the size. Let's now add text. This is person. Good. Very nice title. Let's use white. Fine, and let's change the font to, I don't know, Impact. Let's increase the size to, I don't know, 100. Good. Add effect. This one looks okay. Fine, now let's, what else do we need to add? This and this. Fine, tick. Okay, so we have the tick. Also, what else do we need? Okay. Nice. Most of them are paid. This one looks pretty good. Decrease the size so it matches the left one. And yeah, that is mostly it. Again, in let's say 5 to 10 minutes, you can recreate whatever thumbnail that is standardly paid in Canva. You can easily recreate them. So let's see our final products. Okay, we have this design, we have this design, and then you can create many others by using the same process like that. One interesting thing that I would like to mention here is how you can get the descriptions to use which prompts for AI image generator based on, for example, different thumbnails. So let's say we have this thumbnail. Let's find this thumbnail on Google. Okay, so when you search for Mr. Beast, name of the title. Let's just go to images, download the image. After you uploaded the image to the ChatGPT, just ask him to describe the image. Nice. Okay, so for example, a man with a bright smile in the center, on the left an old, rusted and damaged red car in a glossy field under a cloudy sky. So for example, just copy and paste this, go to Canva, go to Magic Media, paste that, and you will have the image you need to create your thumbnail. So yeah, pretty neat, pretty nice. All of those AI and editing tools working in Symphony. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe because this helps grow the channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.